Hello everyone. So in this video we are solving very easy difficulty level challenges. So here is one challenge, amazing Python challenge. Now this is very easy difficulty level challenge. So we are going to write a function that modifies a string. So we need to check if a word amazing appears in the string, and if it does appear, then we want to change it to not amazing. But here is one condition: if the string already contains the word Python, then we don't want to make any changes at all. So in simple way, if the amazing is with the Python, then we don't have to make any changes, and if it's not with the Python, then we have to change it. Now look at this test cases to understand it better. In the first test case, the string contains the word Python, so we have to leave it as it is and no changes made. And in this second test case, Go is amazing, so since it doesn't contain Python, so we replace amazing with the not amazing. It becomes Go is not amazing. And same thing happens with this third test case. We have to replace this amazing with not amazing. This is very easy difficulty level challenge. So one more thing you can do here is you can pause the video and solve the challenge on your own, or you can watch the full video and then you can try. Now let's solve this challenge. We are creating a function amazing Python, and it is taking yes as an argument. So here we are using a conditional statement if. So to check if the Python is in string, if it is in this string, then we return the yes as it is, and if the Python is not in string, we return the string 2 with amazing replaced by not amazing. Here is what is happening in this function. We first check if the string contains the word Python, and if it does, then we return the string exactly as it is. That's because we don't want to change anything when Python is present. If the string doesn't contain Python, we use the replace method. Now replace is a built-in method in the Python, and we use this replace method to find the word amazing and replace it with not amazing. So this works even if the string has multiple occurrences of amazing. Now let's test this with the given test cases. So as you can see, we are getting the expected outputs here. So as you can see, the only Python gets marked as amazing. You can experiment with these different strings and see how the function behaves. So in this challenge, we learn how to use the Python's replace method to make these changes happen. So let's solve another challenge. So in this basketball challenge, we are going to calculate the total points. So a team earns 2 points for every 2-pointer and 3 points for every 3-pointer they make. The challenge is to create a function that calculates the total points scored by the team. So let's look at the few test cases to understand this challenge better. So to find the total score, we multiply the number of 2-pointers by 2 and the number of 3-pointers by 3, and then we have to combine them. So in this first test case, there are 13 2-pointers and 12 3-pointers. And for the 2-pointers, the total is 13 times 2, which gives 26, and for the 3-pointers, it's 12 times 3, which gives 36 points. So combining both will give us the total score of 62 points, and that's the way we have to calculate. In this second test case, same thing again. So we will start by creating a function called points, and it will take two arguments, 2 pointers and 3 pointers. Now these are the 2 arguments. So inside the function, we calculate the total points by multiplying the number of 2 pointers by 2 and the number of 3 pointers by 3. Let's test the function with the given test cases. Now when we run this code, we will get the following output. Now here is the output. So the function is working. Now let's add one more test case. and here is the output. So it gives us 95 points. And that's how you write the function to calculate different operators, in this case the arithmetic operators. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for this channel for more coding challenges. Thank you.